CB coax 18-foot cable. 95% shielded coax protects from loss of signal. 4-point molded weather-resistant boots for moisture protection. 2 soldered place 259 connectors for easy plug-to-plug installation. Gray jacket. Top reviews from the United States. Astatic good. Haven't installed it yet, but looks pretty good quality. I expect from Astatic, even though their quality and microphone is garbage, this looks good and soldered right on. Quality cable, ends. Best buy on the market, soldered ends, not crimped. Buy extra ends if you want different lenites and cut and solder to fit. All my equipment has this style of cable too. Length varies slightly from manufacturer, looks like well hand-cut and soldered ends. Licensed ham radio operator here.